So what you can also do is you can go ahead and track out activity log as needed inside of Google Photos. So to do that, you can go around over here onto settings, and then what you can do is you can simply go around over here and see the activity log right here. So whatever you have done, you will actually see the activity log right here. Press view right here, and then what happens is that you can see that I have commented on an album right here 2 weeks ago. Let's say, for example, right here. So I have commented right here, so that is why it is recorded. And then you can see that I have says I said see the photo right here, and so forth as well, and so forth. So this is what you have. I had conversations with these two people as well, and those are the activity that I have. And this is how you can go ahead and track whatever you have done right here. So let's say, for example, you have liked some photos, then you'll see it. If you have commented, you'll see it right here. And this is how you can track your activity that you have done in Google Photos easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.